Okay, the reason I'm doing this video is to show you so I can understand the other abbreviation before you can enter into the diagram. Because this abbreviation, they are things you are going to be seeing. So understanding it is very, very important. So that when you see the abbreviation, you will not get confused in the other time. Okay, let's go. First of all, you double click on the all data to now open up. Okay, you click on it. Okay, let's use one of the Toyota. This is 05 2005 Toyota. Okay, let's use Corolla. There are many of them. The application, there are many of the Toyota. Let's use this one. Toyota Corolla. Click on it. You can click on anywhere. Okay. What you do next is you go to the left hand side of the system. You will see abbreviation used by that's by the manufacturer. Yes, you click on it. See it here. You click on it. Then when you click on it, you expand it so that you can see it very clear. When you do click on it, okay. Once you click on it, you can understand, see the abbreviation one by one. It's ABS, anti-lock brake system. These are the things AC from beginning to Z, A to Z. Okay, you see all these abbreviation. So just take time to study the abbreviation so that when you see them, you will not get confused. Okay, you can see the abbreviation one by one. You see next, there are many of them. Just take time, just take a look at it before you pass. Let's take a look at them. You see all these one, EFI, like this EFI. Yes, you see all of them. You see all of them. Yes. ETC, which is the fuse, electronic throttle fuse. You will see many of them. Front left, of the this is fusible link. Yes. Fuel pump. Yes, you see fuel pump. Okay. So see this one front. Yes, you see ground. Yes, very important. You know the abbreviation for ground, which is the art. Yeah. You click another one. There are many. There are many. There are many from beginning from A to Z. You see. So these are the abbreviation. You will see they don't need to start writing it in full. So you go through the abbreviation and then you understand it yourself so that when you enter into the diagram you will not get confused. This is where many people get confused when they say, where can I enter? But if you can understand some of this, it will be easier for you. Okay, so the abbreviation, you see, and the abbreviation used by Toyota. You go to another car, it will be different. Let me show you the one for Toyota, please. Okay, just go through it. There are many. There are many. You don't need to understand all of them, but this is where you can get. Anytime you get confused, come back here, and then locate it. Yes, you can locate it here. Any abbreviation you need, come here and locate it. That is all. That is all for Toyota. So this is how you can locate your abbreviations. Just take time to study it. Mhm. Study it. You can even screenshot it so that I can use it to study. That's how it is. Okay, I hope this information will help you in this particular journey. Thank you and see you again in my next video. Bye.